Okay everyone, so today I got some parts for Jimmy. We're gonna unbox them today for you guys, and I don't know exactly what it is. I don't know if it's all gonna be like the cross wrench or in the steering part. I don't know exactly what all it's gonna be. My freaking hairline though. But anyway, we're gonna unbox this. If my freaking voice crack. If everything doesn't come in this box that's for him, then I'll do parts of I'll do like part 1, part 2 of the vlog, and yeah, so we're gonna open it right now and see what's inside. Sorry guys if I was moving that like too fast for you guys. Okay guys, so it will actually be being different parts because it is my cross wrench. So yes, that is my unboxing for this. We're gonna open it up. It is by teamdurago.com. Team Durago. Cross wrench, and I hope this will be able to take that bolt off Jimmy. We'll have to see. I guess I'll bring it down here and then show you guys. So first let me cut this open, show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll go get Jimmy down and we'll try to put him on here. I think I might have just wasted your time, guys, because I think I realized that I just broke it, that I just undid it upside down. So let me cut it right here. Hoped. There we go. Okay, there we go. This is the cross wrench that I got. Sorry about that interruption from my cat. If that'll show right there. Looks like that. The little sides. So it looks like all together. Put it on there and screw it. If you have a big bolt, that way. So I'm gonna pause this video, guys. Oh, sorry guys. I will pause this and I will see you guys when I have Jimmy. So yeah, you just put you guys back up. Or